Okay, so I've been suffering from leaking and bladder pressure for like sort of 3 years. Well, I lived in the UK and went to see a specialist, and the specialist said even if I had a hysterectomy, it probably wouldn't stop my symptoms of leaking. So then she said maybe I would go through the menopause, which would shrink my fibroid and alleviate my problems. But I just thought, okay, we'll just give it some time. So I waited 2 years and the problems just got worse and worse and worse, to the point where I was just leaking every day, every day, all night. I had to wear pads every day. Sport made me leak, walking made me leak, everything. And then come to the point where I was having pain as well, with leaking and pain, so I just had to see and get a second opinion on what was I going to do really. I come to Rita Sharma. She suggested that I would, we sort of would eliminate to see whether the hysterectomy would work to stop the leakage, or whether we should go on to have further surgery for the incontinence. We chose to just do the hysterectomy and then wait, and then just see how I was. Luckily for me, the hysterectomy it corrected everything, so I didn't have to go on to have further surgery, so that meant that, you know, things were good. So when I started having pain along with the bladder leakage, I thought, I'm going to have to do something. I'm going to have to see another surgeon. So I come along to see Rita Sharma, and the first time I saw her, she gave me an examination, and she was like, this is a big uterus and I think I can help you. So she suggested to have surgery and to remove the uterus to see if that was the problem causing the leakage. And that was scheduled for, I think it was only 11 days after the initial appointment, which I was took back, because in the UK the waiting list is 18 months just for the hysterectomy surgery. So I was like, okay, let's go with this. So we planned the surgery and we had the surgery, which was good. We just went ahead, and it's now 2 weeks tomorrow that I had my surgery, and I haven't leaked a single drop since that day. And it's just been a life-changing thing for me. I know that there wasn't the expectation that I wasn't going to leak at all. It was like, you know, you could leak, you might not leak, but it just so happens that the surgery was the right thing for me to do. And yeah, it was a life-changing thing.